Welcome back, traders. In today's session, I'll be sharing my powerful scalping strategy for derivative boom and crash and well-traded painx and gainx markets. This is a simple and effective scalping strategy which is focused on fast entries on 1 minute time frame. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this setup can help you improve your timing and overall market confidence. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment on this video so that it can reach many people. Also, I've inserted the link in the description for our free WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Click the links in the description to gain access to our group so that you can get access to free signals, trading tools, and daily market updates. So let me take you to the settings so that you see the parameters of the indicators that we are going to be using in this strategy. So this strategy, we can use it on both mobile and PC. So you come here, we want to add the first indicator. On the main chart, we come here and click on the F function. We are going to add the Ichimoku with the following parameters: the taken sen 10, the KG sen 10, second span B 10, fill. We leave it like that, we don't tick it, time frames. Or then on the taken scene, we are going to use the style color blue, the KG scene blue, the up Kumo, you use the background color of your chart. My background color is white, so I choose white. On the down Kumo, again, you use the background color of your chart. On the Chico spine, again, you use the background color of your chart. When you are done, you click save. And you go back on the chart, your chart must appear like this. There must be this blue line on the main chart, which is our Ichimoku. So we are going to add another indicator again. So we come back here, then we click here on the F function. We are going to add the RSI, the relative strength index. We are going to add the relative strength index with the following parameters. Period 1, apply to, close. On the levels, you need to pay attention to the levels. We need level 20, and on the description you can write buy. We also need level 80, and on the description you can write sell. When you are done, you click save. Okay, on the style again, may I choose color black. When we come back on our chart, we must be having these levels. Here, as you can see, we have level 20 and level 80. Then we are also going to add the last indicator. Now we are going to add this on the indicator windows 1. We are now adding this on the indicators window 1. So we are going to click the F function on indicators window 1, and we are going to add the moving average. Our moving average with the following parameters: period 10, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to, close, levels 0, style, I choose blue, you can choose any color of your choice. When you are done, you click save. So we are going to add the last indicator on indicators window 1, which is the moving average again. So we come and click on the F function on indicators window 1, and we are going to add the moving average. Here we need the period. The period, we need it to be 20, shift 0, method linear weighted, apply to, close, time frame or style, I choose purple. When you are done, you click OK, and when you come back here, you click save. So when you come back on our chart, your chart must appear like this. You must have this blue line, which is the Ichimoku on the main chart, and these two lines which are appearing on the indicators windows 1, as well as the levels 80 and 20. So I'll begin by explaining how the strategy works. Like I have said, the strategy works on 1 minute time frame. We use the strategy on 1 minute time frame, and we are using this strategy to scalp, taking 10 candles on 1 minute time frame. Zoom level, you can use zoom level 3. So I'll begin by explaining the condition of selling in boom, which is on derivative, or selling in gainx, which is on well trade. So I'll begin by explaining the condition of selling. So the first condition, we come on our main chart, and we need, you come on our main chart, and on our main chart, the first condition is that the Ichimoku, as you can see, the Ichimoku line must cross above the price or must be above the candlesticks, like what happened here. That's the first condition. Then we come on the indicators window. On the indicators windows, this moving average must crosses each other, or they must intersect above level 80. This is our level 80 here. This is the level 80, and these two lines, or the moving average, or the blue and purple line, as you can see, they've intersected or they've crossed each other above this line. So when these two conditions are met, either you are in boom or you are in gainx, you enter, you sell, and you take your 10 candles. Like I have said, this strategy is very easy to use and it's very easy to follow. We are still in boom 1000, and let's look for another perfect entry position. We are still in boom 1000. Here's another perfect entry position. As you can see on our main chart, the Ichimoku, or crossed above the price. As you can see, the blue line crossed above the candlesticks, and we come for confirmation on our indicators window. As you can see, there's been the crossing of this blue and purple line, which are the moving average, and the crossing has occurred above level 80 of our RSI. So when these conditions are met, we enter the trade, we sell in boom, we sell in gainx, and you take your 10 candles. Now let's move on to boom 900. Let's go to boom 900 chart and see if our strategy is also working there. We are still in boom, so we are still looking for conditions for selling. Here is a perfect entry. We are now in boom 900. As you can see on the main chart, the Ichimoku, or the blue line on the main chart, has crossed above the price, like what happened here. As you can see, it went above the price or the candlestick. That's the first condition. And when we come here on our indicators windows, you can see that there's been the crossing of these two moving average, and the crossing has occurred above level 80. The crossing has occurred above this level, and when these two conditions are met, we enter, we sell in boom, we sell in gainx, and you take your 10 candles. This strategy is very, very powerful. It's very effective. By the way, we are running a promotion. We have a 50% discount on all our products, which includes the AI spy detectors, trading robots, trading strategies, as well as scalping indicators. So if you're interested in these trading tools, WhatsApp or Telegram on +27671192993, or just click the link in the description to get access to our WhatsApp or Telegram. Now let's move on to crash and see if our strategy also works there. We now want to look for conditions of buying in crash as well as in painx. So we'll begin by going to crash 1000. This is crash 1000 chart. So I'll begin by explaining the conditions of buying in crash or buying in painx on World Trade. So the first condition in crash is that the blue line or the Ichimoku on the main chart must cross below the price or the candles, like what happened here. As you can see, this blue line has crossed below the price or the candles. That's the first condition. Then we come on our indicators window. These two moving average, the blue and purple line on the indicators windows 1, must cross below level 20. The crossing must occur below level 20. As you can see here, this is the crossing, and the crossing has occurred below level 20. When these two conditions are met, we can enter in sell, we buy. We can enter on painx on World Trade, we buy, and you take your 10 candles. We are still in crash 1000, and here is another perfect entry position. As you can see here on our main chart, the Ichimoku has crossed below the price or the candlestick. And here we have confirmation on the indicators window. There's been the crossing of these two moving average, which is the blue and purple line on the indicators window 1, and the crossing has occurred below level 20. The crossing has occurred below level 20, and when these conditions are met, either you are in crash on the reef or you are in painx on world trade, you enter, you buy, and you take your 10 candles. We are still in crash 1000, and let's look for one last example in crash 1000. Let's look for one last example in crash 1000. Oh, here's another perfect entry position. As you can see, the price or the candlesticks, the Ichimoku has crossed below the price or the candlestick on the main chart. As you can see, the blue line is below the price or the candlestick on the main chart, and we have confirmation on our indicators window 1 here. As you can see, there's been the crossing of these two moving average, and the crossing has occurred below level 20. The crossing has occurred below level 20. So when these two conditions are met, we safely enter in crash, we safely enter in painx, and we place our buy and we take our 10 candles. Like I have said, the strategy is very easy to use and it's very effective. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment on this video so that it can reach many people. Like I have said, we are running a promotion on all our products. We have a 50% off on all our products. Get in touch with us to get the amazing tools, which includes the AI spy detectors, the trading robots, trading indicators, trading, all of them. We are running a promotion and you can get them now at a 50% discount. You can contact us through our WhatsApp or Telegram, or you can visit our website to get these amazing tools. I've inserted the link to the website and the WhatsApp and Telegram numbers in the description. Click them now and get them down. Thank you.